more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to sew together granny squares. Here we'll have a little closer look. I promise you it is speedy and easy as well. The reason I'm showing you this is we're going to have a free pattern coming out in a few weeks and I want you to have all the techniques ready and accessible via video. Let's get cracking, and don't forget to give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff if you learned something from our video today. So I'll show you up close what the join looks like. So we've got the edges of the squares, which just create a nice little border pattern actually, and it means they kind of butt up together really nicely. And here's the back. Can't even see where we've sewed. This method's speedy and uses less yarn than either crocheting together or over sewing. Wool needle at the ready. Okay, my tip as well, I like to leave a long tail. If you haven't just joined one, it's not a great problem, but then keep all the squares and tails facing the same way and that'll help sewing up later. Got my squares in order. And what you want to do, a bit like if you've ever sewn fabric, is put the right sides together. So this is how I want them to be in real life. So then I'm just going to flip them over so the correct sides are together and the wrong side, the back, is on the outside. Then grab our tail and thread our needle. Just to let you know, we are always going to be going through the outside stitch. So along the top where crochet stitches are, we've got the little V's. And we are going to be going through always the outside V. This one here. And if we look at the other side, this one here. First stitch, always a bit awkward no matter what sewing we're doing. We're going to go to the opposite fabric. And remember, I'm on the outside of the stitch. I'm just putting it into the corner and bringing that through. There we go. That's as much securing as we're doing for that. Then just go to the next stitch. It's that outside V. Then instead of over sewing and creating a bulky seam, we're actually just going to go into the one next to on the same bit of fabric. So we've come through the yellow square. Now we're going to go through the yellow to the white square. So outside stitch to the outside stitch. Pull through. Now you'll never guess what we're doing now. We are going on the white side to the yellow side. So it's a bit like a running stitch rather than over sewing. So we're going next door and then opposite. Next door and then opposite. I'll finish this off and show you what our seam looks like. I'm coming to the last stitch now and we're just going to go into that corner chain. So from one side to the outside stitch and again to that outside V. Bob's your uncle. So let's have a see what that looks like. So this is the correct side. And then the reverse. I cannot tell you how super fast it is, as you know, because I have 187 of these to sew together. In the next video, what I'll show you is how we put them together at like a corner junction where there's four, so basically putting the rows together and what we do there. So do be sure to check that video out. There we have it. Do enjoy the rest of your day and please do give us that like, thumbs up, subscribe and all that good stuff. Take care.